Hello everybody. We are here making FPJ, or fermented plant juice, out of this beautiful Spanish needle. The reason why we chose Spanish needle for our fermented plant juice is because Spanish needle grows really well in this environment. It grows really fast. And so our idea is to take all the microorganisms, the enzymes that make this plant so healthy and thrive in this environment, take those microorganisms and enzymes and basically extract them naturally by using brown sugar, all natural brown sugar. The rawest form is the best, and basically we extract that. It creates this fermented plant juice, and we can dilute that juice 1 to 1,000 in order to spray on any other plants that you grow in your garden. And it'll basically provide your crops with the necessary enzymes and microorganisms to fight any diseases or pests that are common in the area. So once you have all your leaves and branches harvested, you want to break them down as much as possible. You can do it with your hands if you want. So once you have everything broken down, we'll go ahead and scale it. If you don't have a scale, that's fine. My friend Gabby says you can ojo por ciento, you know, eyeball it. But basically, this metal pan was 375 grams. So with the material, it's 920. We have 545 grams of broken down Spanish needle. And so what you're gonna do is you can put it in a 5-gallon bucket or any other bucket you have, and you want to use equal parts brown sugar to any plant material that you use. So that's all in there. All right. Just eyeball it, 556, that works. So from here, you're basically just mixing the brown sugar with the plant material. It smells really good, really sweet. Spanish needle is considered a weed here in South Florida, but it has a bunch of medicinal benefits, anti-inflammatory. I'm pretty sure it's antibacterial. So don't be afraid to use it for teas and things like that. Just make sure to get it from a good source. A lot of it grows by the road, but sometimes that's not the best because there's a lot of people who spray pesticides, and it actually takes a lot of the toxins from the soil. So you want to be sure to get it from a place that doesn't have too many of that. All right. And as you're mixing, you know, you can exfoliate your skin a little bit with the sugar, you know, get that nice and soft. You might as well. And so from here, once you have everything nice and mixed, you can go ahead and put it in any glass or clay jar. The wide mouth ones are the best because you can easily put your hands and stuff in there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Banana blossoms are also really good material. after the bananas have all fruited. You can take the blossom away. Shout out to Spanish Needle for allowing us to use it and extract its organisms. We got a good amount. This is gonna be great. Okay. So once you have it in the jar, what we're gonna do is put a casing layer on top to one, kind of hold it down, and two, more brown sugar the better. So we'll put a casing layer. Kind of pat it down. This was an old pickle jar, so you can recycle and reuse. This will also prevent the too much oxygen from decaying the leaves. All right. This is part of Japanese and Korean natural farming techniques. And so once you have a paper towel or a cheesecloth, anything that's breathable that can allow gas to exchange, you can put that on top. And then we have some rubber bands in here. You can use twine, you can use anything that kind of just holds the paper towel on there. All right. So with the little magic of the help of my friend Gabby, we got the rubber band on here. So boom, your FPJ is basically done in terms of everything you have to do. So in about 5 to 7 days, what will happen is you can kind of see it now, a little bit of juice forming. Over time, the next week or so, there'll be a lot more. And after it basically stops producing juice, it's ready. And what you do is you take off the paper towel, get the sugar out, and you can filter it out with a cheesecloth or any type of filter just to get all the plant material out. But we'll have another video of that when we get to it.